As the cost of medication and pharmaceutical products continue to soar across Nigeria with its attendant effect on the country's health indices, relief has come to 100 indigent residents of Asaba, the Delta State capital. On Tuesday, March 4, 2025, the chairman, Rural Development Agency, Mr. Smart Meka, an engineer, purchased health insurance for 100 men and women in Ward 11, Jarrett, Oshimili South local government area, as a way of giving back to the society in commemoration of his birthday. Engineer Smart lauded the Delta State Contributory Health Commission for the idea of an Indigent Enrollee adoption initiative, which has provided a platform for individuals and groups to enroll indigent persons into the state contributory health scheme.
My birthday is going to be today, and I felt I needed to give back to the world where I came from. And even though ordinarily every December we do Christmas, we assist, but something that is lasting. That is where I came up with this idea of queuing in into the state contributory health scheme to save a life today. It is not enough to give somebody 20,000, 10,000, 5,000, 2,000. If you queue that person into this program, the person will have access to the laudable program of the state government, and that is this free medical care. And this will help Deltas to enjoy the dividends of democracy. And sincerely, we the party leaders, I call on all of us to begin to reciprocate this gesture. We should begin to queue into it. The government is doing much. Our more agenda, our more governor is doing so much. We need to begin to complement in our own little way, in our various wards, in our various local communities, where the people will feel the pulse of governance. Today, these 100 persons will go back home to preach to their people that this is what they are enjoying from government. I hope you think you should know what that means for the party. I want us to begin to understand that this idea of this program is so distinct that some other states are beginning to copy it. It runs for 1 year. By next year, I will enroll them to carry for the upper year. And I hope that maybe before December, I will do another 100. I will do another 100. So that those persons who were not captured, there are so many, I had to plead with them that please don't be embarrassed. If your name is not on the list, please don't. Just stay away. There goes the people who are the but rest assured, before Christmas, I will take the second batch to accommodate those persons.
The Director General and Chief Executive Officer of the Delta State Contributory Health Commission, Dr. Isaac Apoveta, said the Delta State Contributory Health Scheme is one of the ways to attain the universal health coverage, adding that Delta State has maintained its position as the best in contributory health scheme amongst the whole states in the country. While presenting a plaque to the sponsor of the 100 beneficiaries, Mr. Smart Meka, as an ambassador of the health scheme, the Director General, represented by the Director Administration and Human Resources in the Commission, Comrade Martins Bolum, urged the beneficiaries to take advantage of the feedback mechanism put in place by the Commission to ensure a hitch-free scheme, while also encouraging other political leaders to take a cue from Engineer Smart.
Please permit me to say happy birthday to Engineer Smart C. Meka. You are a noble man. You are a great man. Happy birthday. Just sometime last year here, the governor received an award for the best health insurance scheme. We have covered about 40% of our population which no state has done. Even the NHIA, now NHIA, former NHIS, have not been able to do that in the country, but we're able to do it. Why? Because Delta State is always on top. We always take first. A healthy person that will enjoy rice and chicken, is it not true? Many of our people, especially with the cost of drugs now, with the high cost of living, so many of our persons are not able to take themselves to hospital and treat even simple malaria. Malaria in those days used to be simple, but today malaria is no longer simple. With this scheme, what engineer is doing for you today is that when you are sick, you take this health card to the hospital, you will be treated free of charge. You can put our clap. He has paid. He gave you rice in December, now he's giving you health for 1 year. So they have no reason not to treat you. When you get to the hospital and they say they're not going to, please call us, because we are ready and willing. As we speak today, the health scheme has posted, engaged and posted agents to all the hospitals. When you get there, you present your card. As soon as you see the doctor writes your prescription, come out, show it to our agent, he's there. Because people find it difficult coming to office to report. We now have the person who report there. Show it, the person will snap it and send to us. Then when you go in to see the pharmacist, if the medicine they wrote for you is 3 and he gives you 1 and say go and buy the remaining 2, show it to them, we'll snap it, we'll punish them. If because you are sick, you manage to say okay, they refuse to give me your buy, we'll refund your money and punish the hospital. This is one of the best ways to do our campaign in this new era. Please tell others that this is where it is happening. It is not enough to give you 1,000 naira at the polling center. Give me health so that I will be strong enough to vote. If we refuse to vote PDP, we are refusing ourselves good health. Is that also?
Yes, sir.
So vote PDP today, vote PDP tomorrow, vote PDP next tomorrow,
Forever.
and remain healthy forever.
High point was the registration of the beneficiaries into the scheme and presentation of health cards required for them to access free healthcare in any chosen health facility in the state, as well as cutting of the birthday cake by the celebrant, ending a smart Meka flanked by friends.
Sheriff of Enrollee and the Delta State Contributing Scheme with Ambassador for Delta State and for Nigeria. Congratulations.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hip hip hip. Hip hip hip. Thank you.
The event was attended by dignitaries including the chairman of the People's Democratic Party (PDP), Chief Solomon Areyinka, the Chief of Staff Government House, Prince Johnson Erijo, the immediate past Chief of Staff, Honorable Ovie Agas, Oshimle South Council Chairman Obi Kelvin Ezenyeli, and Chairman Dio's Hotel Asaba Ogbueshi Douglas Okolotu.
Thank you.